On day 14, Flynn unsuccessfully searches for Pocahontas. However, as you may know, by this point, Flynn has been looking for a long time, and nothing is happening. The games would lose ratings, and the game makers would likely want to have something happen. Therefore, they would cause a cataclysmic event to occur, Pocahontas would be forced to emerge, and Flynn would find her. At this point, however, I highly doubt Pocahontas would attempt to fight Flynn. Rather, she would appeal to his moral side. I don't know whether or not this would work. We know that Flynn does indeed have the capacity for change, as shown in his movie, but we don't know how long this process would take, or if Pocahontas' charismatic capabilities would have any effect on the aforementioned length. Therefore, I will deal with each scenario independently. I'll deal with the easiest, in which Flynn is not convinced, first. Flynn would pretend to have changed, but would stab her in the back, perhaps literally, and he would win. Second, let us consider the scenario in which Flynn decides to spare Pocahontas, perhaps out of the goodness of his heart, or also perhaps realizing that Pocahontas is more athletically capable than he is, and would likely be able to defend herself if he chose to attack. In this case, the game makers would attempt to make the game end quickly, and send mutts in after Pocahontas and Flynn. At first, we might think that Pocahontas would win in this case, because she's faster than Flynn, and therefore Flynn would get killed by the mutts before her. However, we also need to consider the effect Flynn's roguish charm would have on the viewers in the capital, and therefore the game makers. I suspect Flynn would make an extremely strong effort to be popular with the audience before getting to the arena, while Pocahontas would not. Furthermore, Flynn's strategy while in the arena would simply be more entertaining than Pocahontas' strategy. Therefore, the games would be more popular if Flynn wins, and thus I think the game makers would rig the way the mutts attacked against Pocahontas and leave Flynn Rider the winner. And so we have reached our end. In order of defeat, we have in 24th place, Gus. In 23rd place, Hey Hey. In 22nd place, Jafar. In 21st place, Kokuum. In 20th place, Kristoff. In 19th place, Gaston. In 18th place, Charlotte LaBeouf. In 17th place, Briar Rose. In 16th place, Lady Tremaine. In 15th place, King Stefan. In 14th place, Mother Gothel. In 13th place, Princess Anna. In 12th place, Princess Jasmine. In 11th place, Louis. In 10th place, Belle. In 9th place, Moana. In 8th place, Tong. In 7th place, Mulan. In 6th place, Princess Merida. In 5th place, Shan Yu. In 4th place, King Fergus. In 3rd place, Namari. In 2nd place, Pocahontas. And in 1st place, Flynn Rider. It should be noted that I had to take some creative liberties, and this is only one of many ways such a scenario could play out. If you have any other imagined scenarios, let me know in the comment section below. Otherwise, vale.